One gunshot, this tech makes Spice and Bushkin drop down flat.
Me hear one dub plate from Busy Signal. I mean, I know if AI because of so many modern things that's happening right now in society where somebody can get a splice dub or them can get AI to do a dub. Me now go come and rub and...
Yeah, my people, big up yourself for that's it. That's I'm back with another video for you. So my people, many of you would have already seen the Red Bull culture clash that happened in London a few days back, where Spice was representing for dancehall music. You have a son from Africa was representing Afrobeat. You have homegrown son from England. And you have another son, I think, is from America. Either way, my peeps, Spice ripped them apart. Spice deal with everybody wicked. Spice mash up the place and take the crown. But it seems like after Spice reach home and Spice go back to the clash and thing, my member said, she a member, she hear a dub plate from Busy Signal. And that didn't go down well with her. She didn't like that. She didn't like that at all, my peeps. But I have the dub plate for you. I'm going to make you hear the dub plate. And I'm going to hear what Spice have to say. And after that, my peeps, I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you. I'm going to give you my 2 cents and the whole thing. What I think about the dub plate and what I think about what Spice said and all of that. So, check out this, my peeps.
It's time for round 3, sleeping with the enemy.
I'm very excited for this round, guys. This round tells us that versatility is powerful. Crews, it's time to play the styles of music your opponents are known for, all right? Anything they can do, you can do better, all right? Who's up first? Drum sheds, let's go.
Homegrown. Yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah. But this was say. Yeah, yo. Red Bull culture clash. How you feeling right now? Make some noise. We ready for sound dead tonight? What y'all look for? Cool. Jotty, dub plate time.
I'm not telling about a big bad bomb.
Bushkin, where you there?
I'm not telling you a kill we are
Spice, where you there?
Advice on the streets.
Listen, please.
All the me tell you about streets anywhere we go.
Listen, dub plate now.
One serious. We kill sound and we no nervous.
What?
I'm me tell you about we kill.
Listen. Listen.
I saw the street I got dead fear feed.
Play it.
One gunshot, this tech makes Spice and Bushkin drop down flat.
Me hear one dub plate from Busy Signal. I mean, I know if AI because of so many modern things that's happening right now in society where somebody can get a splice dub or them can get AI to do a dub. Me now go come and rub and send up now bad because I don't have facts or proof if it's really a busy dub. But me hear them have a Busy Signal voice where I do a dub and I disrespect Spice Army. I'm just hope say it's not a real dub because at the end of the day, why would you want to do that? Why? Just why? Me know how busy as broke. So, why would you want to take $500 or $1,000 and tear down your genre, your culture, where you are built? It just don't make no sense to me. And a lot of people might say, oh, a business or, you know, they have to do it. But me not understand it. Like, for example, somebody couldn't get me, like, somebody couldn't pay me enough to go up against dancehall or Jamaica or whatever it is. Like, if there's a cultural clash happening, and my team are going to represent for Jamaica and dancehall, there's no money in this world where them could have paid me if it come go up against Jamaica Army. When I say make sense. You understand? And even if as somebody when me not talk to, because at the end of the day, you represent for me genre, when me bill, when me go, where feed me. Somebody couldn't be, me no know. Maybe me think, because I'm sensitive, you know. And me know say that's one of my thing. I'm very emotional. I'm very sensitive, I'm very emotional. So if me attack wrong, you can tell me, say, yeah man, you're wrong, make the man take him money. But for me personally, because them say everybody different, me, nobody couldn't pay me if you do a dub disrespecting my opponent and that my opponent at Jamaica or dancehall. You get what me I say? Somebody say, me not think I'm busy. Well, somebody better find busy, tag him and ask him if I really him did do a dub plate against Spice Army. You ask him, let me know. Let me hear busy say, yeah man, I me do it. Before me even go say nothing against him. Because I now go come out and, you know, because like me say, me know say them can splice dub and me know say them have AI. So somebody ask busy for me, please, if I really busy signal do a dub plate against me, because me hear a busy signal dub. Me hear a left eye dub. Me hear a red rat dub. Red rat we do it, you know. Because obviously, me and him have a look of feckle deckle what there, so him probably not like me. But for whatever case, like me say again, it no matter how me not like somebody, you cannot pay me enough to go up against my country. It no matter how much money you give me. But like you know say 7 brothers, 7 different minds. So me hear a red rat dub a disrespect Spice Army. Me hear a busy signal dub I go against Spice Army. And me hear a left eye dub I go against Spice Army. And which other dub me hear? Quite a few, but you know go back and watch a clash and tell me, because me I go back and watch it too.
Yeah, my peeps, so talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the dub plate and tell me what you think about Spice. Do you believe that Busy should have done that dub plate or he shouldn't have done it? Or do you believe that Spice is overreacting and nothing is wrong with the dub plate? So talk to me in the comment section, my peeps. Well, for me personally, my peeps, honestly, I think that's what brings the fun in the clash. Because if it's a person who follows sound clash, and when you see this world clash with this Jamaican sound and those international sound, these international sound playing all of them Jamaican artists, dissing up the Jamaican selector as well. And in that dub plate, Busy didn't really diss Spice. All he said was one phone call to make Spice drop down flat. That's not even custom. Because trust me people, as I said, if you are someone who follow up the sound clash, you would hear some custom. As a matter of fact, even the Red Rat dub plate, that the sound that follows the Busy signal. Well, I didn't play that, but you could go and check out the full video. After the Busy signal, there was a Red Rat dub plate aiming at Spice, and Red Rat was saying a lot more things in his dub plate than even what Busy signal said, because Busy didn't really say nothing in that dub plate. Wasn't nothing much. So, you know, Spice are woman still, and woman just think different. Because I never really hear anyone at the Jamaican selector them complain about the dub plate that Jamaican artists do for foreign selectors. I never hear they complain. That's what brings the fun to the clash. So somebody did have to do a dub plate for some of these selectors. Imagine these selectors been paying the artists them to do dubs over the years. And now they're having this special clash. And they contact, for example, Homegrown Sound contact Busy and say, Busy, when you call Spice name, write this up. And Busy I said, no, I never call Spice name. And every dancehall artist they contact said, no, I never call Spice name. There would have been no fun. There would have been no fun in the clash. There would have been no fun in the clash. These are what bring the fun in the clash. So, honestly, I don't really think that's an issue. I don't think that should be an issue. I think that's just normal. You know? So, big up to Busy Signal and big up Spice. And congratulations to Spice. A job well done. The dub plate didn't hurt Spice either way. And like I said before, Spice destroyed everybody. Spice write off everything. Everything dead. So, big up to Spice and congratulations to Spice. And big up Busy. You don't know my people. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Give us a like and talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the dub plate. Tell me what you think about what Spice said. You know, until next time, my peace. It's your boy Daxy Dax and I'm out.